Hi, good morning. I'm Rasmia from Philippines, 41 years old. Now is currently working in as a caregiver, home care caregiver at Platinum Home Care. And now, before I was work as a caregiver 6 years from Abu Dhabi, and then I also taking an assistant nursing. This coming March, I finished my CNA. And now I'm searching a new job, a new opportunity, and more experience and more knowledge. And I can do everything I have a certificate for CPR training, BLS training, and then for CNAs, for CNA certificates, not yet, as this coming March, I will receive because I'm not yet to finish. And now I'm working as a caregiver from Platinum Home Care. I take care the elderly. And now my responsibility to